Hello viewers, you're watching the Savera and I'm Shefali. Several districts of Haryana witnessed rainfall today morning including Hisar, Kaithal, Kurukshetra, Jhajjar, Rewari, Fatehbad, Palwan, Narnaul and nearby areas. The weather changed after western disturbance became active yesterday night, bringing heavy rain to places like Hisar and Sirsa. The Meteorological Centre in Chandigarh has issued an orange alert for 8 districts: Sirsa, Fatehbad, Hisar, Bhiwani, Charki, Dadri, Nuh, Rewari and Mahendragarh. Authorities have warned of strong winds 40 to 50 km an hour, lightning and hailstorm in some parts. Meanwhile, a yellow alert has been issued for districts such as Gurugram, Rohtak, Jind, Kaithal, Panipat and Faridabad, where light to moderate rainfall is expected along with winds reaching 30 to 40 km an hour. Despite the rain forecast, Haryana recorded usually high temperatures. On February 17, the state's average maximum temperature remained 4.7 degrees Celsius above normal. Bhiwani was the hottest district, recording 30.5 degrees Celsius, while temperatures in Hisar, Ambala, Rohtak, Gurugram and Panipat stayed close to 28 degrees Celsius. However, Sirsa and Yamunanagar remained below 25 degrees Celsius. Weather officials said temperatures may drop within the next 24 hours due to rainfall and cold winds. Minimum temperatures also increased. Haryana's average minimum temperature rose by 2.2 degrees Celsius, with Panipat recording the lowest at 10.1 degrees Celsius. Night temperature in most districts range between 12 degrees and 14 degrees Celsius, indicating reduced winter chill. In Punjab, the Meteorological Department has issued an alert for rain and thunderstorm in 13 districts, including Pathankot, Gurdaspur, Firozpur, Ludhiana, Patiala, Bathinda and Mansa. Winds may blow at 30 to 40 km an hour and isolated areas could see light to moderate rainfall. Chandigarh is expected to remain partly cloudy. Weather is likely to stay clear from February 19, that is tomorrow, to 23rd. Now, according to the Meteorological Department, the weather disturbance is currently active as a cyclonic circulation over central Pakistan and adjoining Punjab at around 3.1 km altitude, while another disturbance is active over southeast Pakistan. In Rajasthan, weather conditions also changed sharply. An orange alert has been issued for 13 districts, warning of thunderstorms and hailstorm, while another 13 districts are under yellow alert. Rain was reported in Jaipur and Alwar and hail was seen in several parts of Jaipur city. The maximum impact is expected in northeastern Rajasthan, while temperatures may rise again after February 19. Talking about Madhya Pradesh, it's also witnessing unstable weather. A rain and thunderstorm alert has been issued for 22 districts including Indore, Ujjain, Gwalior and Ratlam. Officials said cyclonic circulations and western disturbances actively will affect the state until Thursday, that's tomorrow, after which the system is expected to weaken. In Himachal Pradesh, light snowfall is expected in the higher reaches of Chamba, Kinnaur and Lahaul Spiti. The Meteorological Department has predicted clear weather and sunshine across the state from tomorrow until February 23rd as well. Maximum and minimum temperatures have increased significantly, while winter rainfall remains 28% below normal so far for this season. That's all for now on this update. Stay tuned to the Savera, download the app and follow us on various social media platforms.